This video is how to install Zoom meeting application in MacBook. First, type Zoom download for Mac in Google search and click the link as shown in the video in this page. You can see all the details how you can install the application and how to change your setting in your MacBook, such as giving permission. But I will demonstrate how to install it in my MacBook. Download the installation file, which is compatible with your system. In my case, I chose the version for Macs with the Play Silicon chips. Then double-click the downloaded installation file. Then you need to continue these steps for installation. You need to type your login password to your MacBook to allow this installation process. Now installation is successful, and you can remove the installer file. You are ready to log in with your Zoom account and enjoy your Zoom meeting. Thanks for watching.